First of all, I would like to thank all the genuine citizens of Tripura and India, and also all the social media team, those are covering here today. Actually, we on behalf of TPF, in the leadership of our Madam, the one and only indigenous freedom fighter, Madam P.K. Jomatia, we are coming here today for a hearing of our case. We had filed a case last on 1st December 2020 against the State Election Commission. Why we had filed a case because the Tripura state government and Election Commission of Tripura, they are delaying ADC election by showing Corona virus pandemic era, pandemic period, by showing that time. Then they delaying our ADC election, and they elected non-indigenous people in our ADC to lead the ADC as administrator. So we cannot accept on behalf of TPF, we Tiprasa people cannot accept non-indigenous people to occupy and to lead the Tiprasa people. So today is the hearing, first hearing, second hearing. Today is second hearing of that case. Here we see that Tripura State Election Commission cannot counter filed in this court today because they have no evidence, or they have no what to say. They cannot file. They cannot counter file here today. So here we want to say we can see clearly Tripura government defeat from us. Same thing in the Supreme Court. We filed NRC case. There is also Tripura government was given 3 times to file counter in the Supreme Court. The Tripura government did not filed there also in the Supreme Court also. So same thing today also, they cannot counter filed in this court also. This all. So I hope our case will be win. We will overcome, and we can success our case. This is my hope. That's all. Thank you.